you have to work with EC2. Let's go to AWS Management Console and go to EC2. You can see all our running instance here. We can just click Launch Instance to start a new instance. So we select the Ubuntu server. This is all information about the instance, CPU, memory. If we are happy, just click Review and Launch and confirm it's here. We need a key to access to my server. So I'll put it like my uni 1, for example. We download this key. We use this key to connect to the instance later and launch instance. The launching process will take less than 1 minute. And when it's ready, you will get the IP address here. Okay? So just wait for that. But in the meantime, we can start the terminal. So in this terminal, we'll browse into the folders where it contains our key. So we need to change the permissions of our key into 400. We need to run sudo as well. There we go. When we go back, we see that our instance is ready. We click connect. It will generate a command line. We just need to copy that command line and paste it here. Say yes. Let's say fail because the connection is not connected. Let's try one more time. Right, yes. There we go. We are now already in the EC2 instance shell. We will try to install Apache server so that we can host our website. We start by running sudo apt update. So after that, we run sudo apt get install Apache 2. It will take a while to finish the installations. It's less than 1 second or less than 1 minute. And after that, we run service. We can run sudo service stack Apache 2. And it says to me that it's not going to Apache 2. Let's try to run one more time. Okay, sorry. Sudo service Apache 2 stack. There we go. We try to copy the public IP address and then try to open it in browser. Hopefully we can see our website. We cannot. The problem is we need to change the security rules because currently the port 80 is blocked. We need to add the 80 and then select anywhere. So this is we done for the inbound. We do the same for the outbound. So in the outbound we add rule 80 and then anywhere, and then we click save. Now we go back, we see our Apache homepage, which means that we successfully install the Apache server. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to